You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will bring you this cryptocurrency video. Right now we've seen Bitcoin at 19k and on the 4-hour charts. What are we looking at right here? Are we going to see a breakout on this very level of resistance? And on the 4-hour chart ETH, the same thing. Are we going to break this level or we're going to see the market head right to the downside? All of these and more in today's video. Watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. On the BTC USDT 1-day chart, I'll be talking about you waiting for 24 to 48 hours after Fed meetings. This is the Fed meeting day and we see this very candle turn bullish and we are expecting the market to move to the upside. Now, what you should be paying attention to right now after Fed meeting, because before the next meeting is about a month from now, so what you should be paying attention to is this that I want to show you right now. This very level, if you see market break this very area, know that market is going to move to the upside. And if you see a bearish candle that closed below this very level of support, know that market is going to move right down. So these two levels, this very area of 19,500 and this very area of 18,300, okay, this very level is very important for the next market move. Now overall, I am expecting this market to move a little bit to the upside, significantly to the upside. The reason being that I said it, that market has already priced in before Fed meeting. So in as much as we see Fed hike interest rates on Wednesday this week, I am still expecting the market to move a little bit to the upside before continuation, because after interest rate hike, we're supposed to see the market dump right to the downside. But for the fact that we've already seen market priced in to this level of support, we're not going to see a very sharp drastic move immediately that will respond to that very interest rate decision. Okay, so what I am expecting right now is a little bit of move to the downside, then we're going to see a pump to the upside on the long term. On the 1-day chart, on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at this chart very well, you see we have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have resistance here, we have support at this area, we have support here and support here. So market is on the range. So what I am expecting right now is this market to come back down from where the market is right now. I'm expecting this market to come to the downside, and if you see a breakout here, market is going to move up, and if you see a breakout on the support, the market is going to come back to the downside. So pay attention to these two levels, the resistance level at this area and this very support level. That is what you should be paying attention to. And if you want to take any trade, then you have to buy from this level of support after you see a bullish candle. If you want to short the market, you have to also short from this level of resistance when you see a significant bearish candle to the downside. So this is what I am expecting in the market. A breakout here is going to send the market to the upside, and a breakout on the support level is going to make the market to go back to the downside. Then on ETH, I talk about the market moving to the upside after this Fed meeting, and you see exact same thing happen right here. And what are we paying attention to? From where the market is here to this very area of resistance, from this place where the market is right now and this very line of resistance, expect the market to move to the downside, and your confirmation must be a bearish candle. That means you must see a bearish candle that will confirm that market is about coming back down. Don't just take trade because I said market is going to go down from here. You must have a confirmation before you can actually place these trades. So what you should be paying attention to or watching right now is after the close of this very candle. If this candle is bullish, you're not going to take any trade. But if you see a bearish candle that closed below this very candle, then it's going to be a nice time to take a short position to the downside, because I am expecting the market to come back down almost into this level of support. Okay, so expect the market to retrace from this very area to the downside on ETH. This is what I am expecting what I'm paying attention to right now in the market. What do you think about Bitcoin on the 1-day chart? Do you think we're going to see the market break this level of support and we're going to move the market to the downside from this very area? Comment below in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. If you've not enrolled for the Remit Trade Intensive Cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, the time is now. Check the description of this video right now and you see a contact and reach out to me immediately and get trained properly on how to trade crypto successfully. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.